Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete your CoolWallet account. To delete your CoolWallet, first of all, open the CoolWallet application and make sure that you're inside the home page. In the first interface, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the Settings menu, you will be able to see the Reset Hot Wallet account. Before proceeding to resetting your wallet, make sure that you have your backup phrases or your recovery phrases backed up somewhere secure. If you are sure you have it, you can tap on the Reset Hot Wallet option. Tap on all of the boxes and click on Reset, but be sure to go through the information first before doing it. If you don't have your recovery phrases, then your CoolWallet will not be retrievable. After you are sure you want to reset your wallet, click on the Reset button and then you will be able to delete your account. If you ever need to retrieve your account back, then all you need is your seed phrases or your recovery phrases. These phrases will be able to help you recover your assets after a reset as well. So that is how you easily delete CoolWallet account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.